alif.
alif,
The first letter is the half shape of lam. In the next one is alif. Lam, alif.
lam, alif,
Again, the first letter is the half shape of lam. And the next one is a curvy shape like alif. Lam, alif.
lam, alif,
The first one is the half shape of ba like this. And the next one is alif. Ba, alif.
ba, alif,
In there, this shape is lam. In the next one is alif. Lam, alif.
lam, alif,
Lam.
lam,
This one, the curvy shape is lam. In this next one, alif. Lam, alif.
lam, alif,
The red shape on the top is lam, like this. And the bottom one is ha. Lam, ha.
lam, ha,
And again, this one, like the previous letter. Lam, alif.
lam, alif,
You can see that in different shapes we can write lam in Arabic. There, this. All these words are lam, alif. But in every stage, their shapes are different. Actually, in Arabic, we can write words and letters in the stylish calligraphy shape. The first one ba, and the middle letter is lam. And the third one is again ba. Ba, lam, ba.
ba, lam, ba,
This one, it's another shape of kaf. In Arabic, one letter has multiple shapes. This kaf, it has two shapes. We can write kaf like this also. Kaf.
kaf,
In this one again, kaf.
kaf,
In the next word, the first letter kaf is the half shape of this kaf. Like this. Kaf, ba.
kaf, ba,
In this kaf, its half shape can be like this. And this shape will be on the top. It is the half shape of this kaf. So this word is kaf, ba.
kaf, ba,
In this word, the half shape of like this is the shape of this kaf. In next one is alif. So it will be kaf, alif.
kaf, alif,
In this one, this kaf can be written also like this shape. And the next one is alif. So this word kaf, alif.
kaf, alif,
There are three letters together. The first one ba, and the middle letter is this kaf's half shape. And the next one is ta. So this word is ba, kaf, ta.
ba, kaf, ta,
In this, the first one ta, and the middle letter is the half shape of this kaf. So it is kaf, and the next one sa. So the word is ta, kaf, sa.
ta, kaf, sa,
Ba,
ba,
ta,
ta,
sa.
sa,
Noon,
nun,
ya.
ya,
The first letter is ba, and the next one is alif. Ba, alif.
ba, alif,
Noon, alif.
nun, alif,
Ta, alif.
ta, alif,
Ya, alif.
ya, alif,
These words are so tricky. Like the ta has two dots on top, while ya has two dots at the bottom. And ba's dot is in the bottom, and noon's dot is on the top. So just with the place of dot, the sound of the letter is changed. You can be confused in these four letters, but try to keep this thing in your mind. Sa, alif.
sa, alif,
Basin,
Basin,
Yasin,
Yasin,
Nun Sin,
Nun Sin,
Tasin,
Tasin,
Sasin,
Sasin,
Sajim,
Sajim,
Taha,
Taha,